Ah, damn it. Well, welcome to Scuba's Garage. I'm Scuba Steve, and this is my 1990 Volkswagen Corrado G60. As of right now, it's dead. Supercharged. New. So it is a 4-cylinder supercharged 5-speed manual, 17-inch wheels. I've had this car for almost a year and it didn't run. We have a cranker. Flippy boy. So it needed a lot of work. I've done some work to it, got it running, brought it home. Garage is a mess, sorry about that. And I've had enough of it. So that, bye-bye. Coming out. On this video series of the Corrado, we are going to be stripping it down in its entire glory because, you know, we need some fucking seats. Dashboard is halfway there. That's to my doing, but whatever. You know, it needs door panels. It needs paint, obviously. Got a sunroof. Fucking leaky boy right there. And this is stuck like that because of electrical. So let's open this up. Half gray, tan spare part. Yeah. So this is all gonna calm down and get stripped down to nothing. Also, what's cool is I'm going to be doing a rear seat delete because, you know, race car. But yeah, so the rear seats are going to get deleted. All those panels are going to get redone. Seats are going to get redone. Dashboard's going to get put back together. But most importantly is all the electrical gremlins. All the wiring is coming out, and I'm going to be building a whole brand new harness from scratch. Build my own fuse box. And pull the motor out. And we're going to go 1.8 turbo 6-speed versus the 5-speed. So that means all of this bullshit's coming out. And we're going to have some fun with it. Clean it all up. And I'm going to do everything. So we're going to start in stages. We're going to paint this thing. We're going to change the hood over to a G60 or a VR6 style hood because this is a G60. And what's cool about the VR6 is, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but this goes down. This goes down. It's got a drop off. So the VR6, the middle is actually raised to give you just a little bit more room inside, and it looks a lot cooler. That is not a stock bumper. That bumper I fitted, needs a little bit more work before it gets painted. And it has Golf style turn signals and fog lights, which are broken and missing. That one fell off on 75, towing the vehicle home. Yeah, fun times. Headlight needs a little help because it's droopy. Got a lazy eye. But that, I drove this car around a little bit. It's fun. It just started acting up because it's a Corrado thing. And I decided when I brought it home that it's gonna get parked in the garage and sayonara. Strip her down, build her back up. I mean, I got tubs of parts. I got parts in there. So these guys are gonna get smoked out. This is gonna be utilized 3-gauge panel, which will probably go where the ashtray goes. These lights are better than what are on there. Let's take a look at that. But I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up on camera, but these are all cracked. They're not like leaking water, but they're cracked. Spider cracked, chipped. So, both of them. So, the active spoiler does work. Fuel. Needs some lube. That's what she said. But yeah. So, if y'all want to stick around for the journey, we're going to restore this car, and it'll be a lot of fun. I've never done a full restoration on a car start to finish, as I am going to be doing as extensive on this one. So, with that being said, like, subscribe, and stay tuned, and we are going to have a blast. It'll be fine. It's a 33-year-old car. What could go wrong?